Joining us after tracking it all night long.
Yeah.
Moved through pretty quietly, didn't it?
It is. It still will continue, but now it's really turned into just a wind and rain event. The tornado threat's really gone down. There could be a little resurgence of energy in East Alabama, but I think most of that will be southeast of our viewing area by early tomorrow morning. All right, look at the rain, though. That will stick around. The rain will continue overnight. You could even hear a few rumbles of thunder, so the lightning is still possible with all of this. Temperature sitting at 66 currently, winds still out of the south, and that's also going to saturate the atmosphere. Flooding alerts include most of central and east Alabama. That's where the heaviest rain will reside over the next 24 hours. Already beginning to see some gradual clearing to our west, and the rainfall will not redevelop as much for your Thursday in West Alabama. Notice rainfall totals in the last 24 hours alone, though, nearly 1.5 inches in Hamilton. So I'm sure they're thankful that they're not going to get as much rain on their Thursday. But all of that rain Hamilton saw today is just moving east, and that's why the rain amounts will be going up east of I-65, even though many places are upwards of almost an inch, like in Asheville, nearly 1/2 inch here in Birmingham. We could see anywhere between 2 to 3 inches in central and east Alabama, maybe some locally heavy spots producing upwards of 4 inches. So lots of rain is possible still, even though the severe threat for tornadoes has gone down. Keep in mind your storm team radar right now has a nice hearty band of wet weather from Fayette to Tuscaloosa, stretching through Jasper, Gardendale, north of Birmingham, Aniana, and then east of I-65 there. The severe thunderstorm warning back in Mississippi has expired, but that strong storm is going to be tracking into Sumter County on into Greene and Hale County. Keep a watchful eye on that. Behind all of this rain back towards Arkansas is cold air, and that cold air is going to start racing in tomorrow, noticeably colder from the time you start your Thursday to the time you finish the day. Grab the rain gear early too. The rain will not be over in the morning. This will actually continue overnight, even though, as I mentioned, the severe threat is going down. The rain potential's there, and even some isolated ponding is possible on the roadways. This rain will start your Thursday, a soggy start. Add some extra time for that morning commute. Pack the rain gear for the kiddos. Mid-morning through late afternoon, we'll see that rain gradually clearing in East Alabama. Afternoon, clouds stick around, but then that colder air moves in, and that slight risk will still stay in effect for tonight. Clear and colder temperatures will be dropping throughout the day tomorrow, ending up at 36 Friday morning, 52 with a clearing sky Friday, and occasional shower possible as we start the weekend. And that's a look at your